clean your Windows operating system from viruses or your computer using the Windows Integrated tool. Click on the search bar and type Run and hit Enter. This little window will pop up for you. At this stage, type MRT and hit OK. Wait a few seconds and a new window will open up and we will start our cleaning scan. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can go ahead and click yes. And as you can see, the cursor is loading. At this stage, this window will pop up. Just click Next. You can either choose a quick scan, full scan, or customized scan. Personally, I prefer full scan. However, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose customized, choose folder, and I'm going to select this PC. You can also use it to scan any other device. I have my Windows here. This is supposed to be my C drive. So I'm going to select it. If you have another drive, you can always select it and hit select folder and click next. The scan will begin. It's supposed to scan every folder, every software, everything in your computer. And the process might take quite a long time. It can take up to 2 or 3 or even 5 hours. However, once completed, it should remove all malwares and all harmful softwares from your computer. I'll just pause the video here and I will show you what technique next once the software has completed the scan. Once the process is completed, you should see this. There are two options. Either it will show you no malicious software was detected, which means no viruses has been detected in your computer, or if it found any, it should remove it for you. So then all what you need to do in both cases, just click finish and the process is done. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.